Dawn Pasela was born to Ed and Karen Pasela on June 28, 1985. Dawn was homeschooled and a part of a group that had a strict dress code. One day, Ed and Karen say Dawn got her friends together and spent an afternoon calling Dillard's, Macy's, and Victoria's Secret stores in the area, looking for bras that were really bright to peek through their white shirts. This was one of many examples of how Dawn liked to push buttons and had an anti-authoritarian streak. Dawn respected her teachers, though, and excelled in academics, graduating at the top of her class at Cleveland State University and Cuyahoga County Community College. She studied criminal justice, and her desire to stamp out injustice only grew as she got older. In a 2008 case, a real estate broker named Tony Viola was arrested for fraud. Individuals who supported Viola were said to be threatened with prosecution if they continued to assist him. In 2009, Dawn was hired by the Ohio Attorney General's office and was assigned to an office manager position on a multi-jurisdictional mortgage fraud task force. That task force handled the Viola case. At one point, Dawn later said she noticed her signature was being forged to take out files that eventually went missing, including some information that may have been exculpatory for Viola. After she contacted Viola herself and offered to testify in his upcoming second trial about prosecutorial misconduct, Dawn says she was threatened. After she did not show up to testify, the judge in the case issued a bench warrant for failure to appear in court. Just as Dawn was supposed to testify, she was found dead in her apartment. Her death was ruled alcohol poisoning. The apartment was set to 80 degrees despite warm weather, and 2 cell phones that were not hers were discovered. In 2023, the local sheriff's office reviewed the death case, and a detective concluded that it was clear that the other local police department that did not truly investigate her death. Dana Pohl, Leslie Kakas, and Andrea Ciparino join us for a live conversation on Saturday, March 2nd at 8 p.m. EST and 7 p.m. CST to discuss their YouTube investigation into Dawn's death called Seeking Justice. Come join us for this live discussion with them and our listeners.